Right everyone, welcome to a very special YouTube video. We are currently over in Ireland and we've got a hell of a setting here for where we're staying. Got a farm here, there's some straw that needs baling, hopefully they'll do that whilst we're here. There's a guy out there spraying off some stubbles. We've been to the ploughing match the last couple of days. As you can see, we've got ourselves some YouTube merch from Carol. Also got myself a Farmer Phil hat. Went and met with those guys. So really nice of them. We went and saw them, had a chat with them, and they actually invited us out for tea and drinks last night. So we got to spend the evening with Farmer Phil and Carol and Liv and Jazz, their partners. And yeah, just really nice evening. Here's the lady. Say hello, lady.
Hello.
But yeah, this is what we've been up to at the ploughing.
Cute little igloo.
I know, they're like Ben's ones, aren't they? You got all the slats on the front as well. Absolute monster. That's a big tanker. How high do you reckon that Merlot is, Ab? That is up there. I know they got the blimps up. Aztec Zero Grazer. Bobcat. Me and Ruby were sat on the Bobcat. The Mid-Devon show.
This is a bit bigger than the Mid-Devon show.
Bit bigger.
Just a bit bigger.
Yeah, look at that thing. Busy.
It's not as busy as that other one.
And you got two merch traders now. You getting a shirt?
You get a shirt? I get nothing.
I have, yes. More money gone. Here you are, Rob, this is what we need. But you've got to have this with it. It's by far the oddest tyre I've ever seen.
Do you reckon it's just bold? It's
Concaves in the middle.
used.
No, I think it's new. What do you reckon?
It's not got any of its like sticky out bits like that though.
Well, it sort of has. Technical term, sticky outer bits. I mean, this one's a bit odd as well. This is like a super single on a truck or something.
I don't know.
Fully galvanised nurse tank. Put slurry in it. Sold to the Killing Brothers. Well, that cost a fortune. Look at all this stuff. Mandy the cow. She's not a happy lady, Abs. Look how big this place is. I mean, that goes on for miles behind us. Miles and miles. I think this is all the vintage stuff down here, so we'll go and have a look at that. I class myself as vintage now. That is pretty cool. The milk floats were ahead of their time because they were electric before the old electric craze. I remember milk used to be dropped to our doorstep on one of them.
Not mine. My dad.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you had it out of the tank, you were right. It's a pink David Brown, or Daisy Brown, Pinky Matic. John would like that.
Behind it.
Oh yeah, Fergie in the back. of 4,000. Yeah, Rob, that's what it should look like. Ours doesn't look like that at all. Massey corner. That is the boy. Yeah, 135.
Nice little collection of Masseys.
You like Masseys? To Paris. We do like the To Paris stuff. Pretty cool kit. I'm trying to convince Abby to go in there, but she won't do it. Now she's left me. You can get your water troughs pre-made, bus shelter, table tennis table. I think that's one of them like head tennis table tennis things. That makes sense? Head tennis, table tennis, tennis.
I don't know if I should actually play table tennis.
Hey? Oh, shall I take a picture?
Does my head fit?
Yeah, just about. You look good in a green hat.
Huh?
So you look good with a green hat. Starting to quieten down a bit now. Time check.
Oh, 5:23.
5:23. I don't think we've ever been at a show this late.
Mid-Devon Tokyo, but that's quite late. But then that's just because of the traffic, isn't it?
I mean, you can actually see now down the roads. I don't know if there's still bits we haven't seen.
Oh, it's a big screen.
We've seen no ploughing
No,
at the ploughing match.
No.
So we'll come back tomorrow for more ploughing.
We've just seen Farmer Field, right?
We have seen, yeah. Farmer Phil's invited us around for a drink. I do. So
We don't know where yet.
yeah, we don't know where, but there's a drink somewhere. But like half of this stuff we've not seen. And there's just too much. But yeah, there's any number of zero grazers and feeder wagons and diggers. And everything in between, tyres. I don't know how many tyres are here. It's just busy. This is the same road we came in earlier, where we couldn't physically move for people.
Yeah, you couldn't see.
Couldn't actually see in front of you. Volvo.
No, I like it.
The one in the glass cases.
Why is it glass?
Because it must be very expensive. Up to 600 kilometres range. It's in a glass case so the windows are down. Are we going this way, are we? We've just come from down there. Abs, you're not having it for one reason.
It's automatic.
Well, if you wanted to dribble bar abs, they got some there.
Jesus. It's a big one.
That'd be 24 metres. Huge. It's got twin macerators. Yeah, that must be 24 metres. I wouldn't recommend that. Going out with two different tyres.
Have they got different ones in the back?
They've got to change up before they move it, surely.
This side's both.
Row crops all round this side.
And then that fat one.
But surely they've got to change that there before they take it away. Every tyre known to man. There's a lot of money in rubber tied up here. So it's just for scale. It's bigger than the bed we got in our shepherd's hut. We've been walking around aimlessly all day. We don't even know where we've been and where we haven't. I don't think we've been up here. Yeah, sweepy.
Can't really see because the sun's shining in my
Oh,
eyes.
such a nice day.
You can...
Orvis. The electric one.
They always have their electric
Spearhead.
It's proper dusty, isn't it?
Any amount of fence posts.
I don't even know where the car is.
We're walking the opposite way to the car.
Ah. That's good.
They're
I
new.
do like all of the balloon things in the sky. I think they're cool.
Yeah, so JFC's up there. JFC gave us the grand tour earlier, didn't they, of the milk feeding machines.
Yeah.
Fleming have got their brand new dribble bar. Graffiti.
Yeah.
I can see it. How dare you? All the Fleming guys have gone home. I was going to buy a Fleming machine as well. So yeah, that is Fleming's new dribble bar. What makes it different from any other juggle bar? Oh, trailing shoe. I should get the right pronunciation. It's a trailing shoe, not a dribble bar.
Is that a different thing?
It is a very different thing. There it is on the machine. Guessing you can retrofit it.
Look at that Merlot truck.
I know, snazzy. They still got their thing right up here. Look how tall that is. That's mad. Big M, big X. You want me to sit in that chair?
Oh, just in the car.
Look, we're at the ploughing, and there is a plough.
Hey.
Well done, Amazon. What is that over there? A little Winston. Never heard of it. All this slurry cat stuff. You can actually see stuff now.
Where's that? Like,
Oh yeah, Abby's horrified about this.
yeah, this is not okay.
There's a Massey 6290 in John Deere livery. How's that make you feel?
Terrible.
And there's a yellow John Deere there as well. It's all gone wrong.
You know, I never noticed that earlier.
Yep.
Maybe there was people in front of it.
You know what we don't have on the farm is a quad bike or a gator. That would be the business. Went in that tent earlier, Bomatic, to look at the drafting gate, and they didn't want to speak to us.
Nobody came up to say that.
No. I mean, we spent enough time in there looking. Everyone's shutting down. It's obviously time to go home. We're staying to the bitter end.
Well, this is exit number 14 and we're at number 6.
Oh yeah, we're at the opposite end of the showground where we need to be. Stroutman. Had a Stroutman wagon at the dairy farm I used to work on. Ran the first one for 10 years, absolutely no issues whatsoever. Before changing it. Big Abbey tanker.
The lights are on.
The lights are on.
Is that not using its battery or whatever?
Or was it just the sun? I don't know. Might be connected to a
The
battery.
lights are on.
That's a big feeder wagon. Look at the size of that thing. Cool.
What's your channel? You got your Farmer Phil hat on?
I've got my phone.
Farmer Phil
I
hat?
had to buy a hat because my head was burning.
Yeah.
My hair started receding at 30 years old.
Yeah, we know that. So this is apparently the local news. The man over there. Which we don't really know anything about.
Just
But
here
we're here for the band.
We walked past all of this once earlier, we didn't really look at it. Abby thought that was a brush. That
I
thing.
don't really quite know what it was.
Yeah.
And I still don't really know what it is.
Don't try brushing anything with it, Abby. We did have some lovely chicken from the little chicken van down here earlier. Yeah, it's nice, wasn't it?
I couldn't eat it all day. I think because it's hot, you don't really eat so much.
No. How about a beer?
They have music in there though.
I bet this is just where all the sales reps are now. Oh, they are. Let's heard watch.
Good evening, everyone. The site is now officially closed to the public. We would like to thank you all for coming to the Plowing Championships 2024.
It's now closed. What are you still doing here? Site is closed.
We've got to find our way out.
We're somewhere near that yellow blimp. We need to hang a left. Abracadabra. Is that not the best name for a kebabi ever? Abracadabra.
I don't think we came down here earlier.
I don't think we did. Oh, we got loads of the show to see yet.
We definitely didn't come here. Because I definitely didn't see that glass dome.
That's a lovely fast track. Classic 6290 on it as well. Oh, it is Grassman's. It is Grassman's
I
tractor.
think it's like a... It's a hospital.
What a day that was, eh, Abs?
And we've located the car.
And we found the car as well. I did drop a Google pin earlier because I thought we'd never find it, but it's actually quite empty now. We're one of the last remaining ones at the first day of the ploughing. How have we managed that? Anyway, we're going back, relax. What's the other word? Relax and re-energise to do it again tomorrow. Abby's now outside taking pictures of the car whilst I'm in here sweating me nuts off.
I do like this car.
You've got the key. I can't even turn the engine on to get the aircon going.
Ah, yeah, like the car.
Yeah, like the car. Yeah, it's a very nice car.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is ploughing day 2. And Joshy is here next to me. He's let me do some filming. So this is the ploughing. I mean, it's going to take him a long time to do one field.
It's not the idea.
Josh says that's not the idea. I don't really know what the judges are judging on. But it won't be for speed, that's what I know. Little tractor. Little Massey there. Cute. Does it have a flag on it? So there's the Netherlands, there's Ireland, there's England, we've seen a Scottish one, a Welsh one.
I think this is the European Championships.
There's a German one over there. See the German flag. What other ones are here?
Northern Ireland.
Yes, Northern Ireland. Josh wanting to show off his new t-shirt here. The Plowing 2024 Grass Men Edition.
And so that brings us to the end of the video. Just sat here doing a bit of editing now. Abby's just coming in the door. The lady returns. Oh, enjoy your trip.
I stood on my shoelace.
For God's sake. Anyway, we're off to the Guinness factory tomorrow, is that right?
Yes.
Guinness. And then we're actually back home on Friday morning. And then back to carving. Can't wait! Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.